Hi, I'm Ryan from MapSearch, and this is episode 4 in our Vision Solutions series, How to Customize the Look of Your Pipeline Map. Let me switch over to Envision here. All right, and that should pop up here just a moment. There we go. Now, unlike previous episodes, I'm actually starting with a map that I've already built. We're here in the West Virginia area looking at the Marcellus Shale region, and I have overlaid natural gas pipelines, gas processing plants, and then I also have my North American shale layer, which is the blue you see here, the large blue region. Now, there are a few things I want to change. In many cases, companies that subscribe to Envision like to have their maps have a consistent feel and look to them. For instance, have all pipelines of a certain commodity be the same color, etc. So right now I'm going to show you how we can do that. All right. I actually want my shale layer to be transparent, or at least partially transparent, so I can see the underlying geography. To do that, we'll go over here to the table of contents and click on our North American shales layer, and you can see that I have a slight percent. And if I go over to 50% and hit save, you'll see the layer redraw, and we can begin to see some of the labels underneath. I'm actually going to give it just a little bit more transparency. There we go. That looks good. All right, so that's done. Next step is, right now my natural gas pipelines are represented in this dark blue color. I like for my gas pipelines to actually be red. So once again, we'll go over to the table of contents, click on the layer, and this time we'll go to this color drop down, so you're familiar with this, and we'll select a red to gas pipelines, hit save, and the map redraws with red pipelines. Pretty easy. All right, so the next thing we want to do is our gas processing plants are right now represented with this little circle in yellow, and I want something that's a little bit more representative of a plant, like a facility of some sort. So back over to the table of contents, I can click on this layer, and from this drop down I can actually look at a number of Envision symbols, or I can even upload my custom symbol if I choose to. In this case, I'm going to stick with the Envision symbols, and I'm going to select put this one right here, and we'll go ahead and make that red since it is a gas processing plant to make it consistent with our facilities. Of course, that doesn't quite stand out from the other red we use. A little bit lighter. Okay. All right, close that. The next thing I want to do is actually change the labels of my pipelines. Right now I have them labeled by operator, and I'm labeled by owner. So we can go back over to the natural gas pipelines in the table of contents here. Click on that. This time we'll click the Properties tab, and as you can see, the label box for operators selected. I'm going to click Owner, select that, hit save, and my map will redraw with Owner instead of Operator as the label on my pipelines. The final thing I want to do is change my base map. There are a couple of ways of doing this. The easiest one is if you're on a PC to right-click, or in the case if you're on a Mac like I am, you can use a two-finger click, bring up the menu, change base map, and we will select, let's go with a Bing Road map here. And that's that. We've now customized the look of our map, and Envision will actually remember our preferences for the layers we've selected, so the next time we come in here to build another map, we won't have to go through that process again because it'll be in our user preferences. Switch back over to our camera now. Just give me one moment. There we go. And that concludes this episode of our Envision Solutions series. The next episode we're going to do is going to be searching and sorting pipelines and other assets in Envision. We've done a little bit of that before, but this time we'll do it using the built-in feature called the Data Grid. I encourage you to check out our YouTube channel and view our introduction video to give you a little bit more background on Envision. Also, we have a number of episodes in this series posted there, and we'll continue to add to that in the near future. And also, if you'd like to learn more about Envision or sign up for a trial and demo, check out our website, mapsearch.com, or shoot us an email, sales@mapsearch.com. Until next time, thanks for watching.